And this is an E1U Life review. This video we're going to review the Make Money Online opportunity known as E1U Life. And I call it a Make Money Online opportunity because it allows anyone, regardless from pretty much any nation, this is worldwide, to go ahead and resell popular web services. These web services are customized website design, customized business logo design, customized social media marketing templates, customized email marketing templates. And if you see on the page right here that we have before us, which is at earn.wcrpro.life, you'll see E1U Life offers commission rates starting at 80% for affiliates. Yes, really. And you have to purchase one of our 6 web packages in order to become an affiliate for that packages and start earning those 80% plus affiliate commissions. And here is a brief video that go over the details you need to know, the really good stuff. Here's a few words from some of our other affiliates who have had success with E1U Life, and as you can see, many of them are not just having success promoting E1U Life, but using the web design services for their own self. And this is a web design service for any website you can think of, regarding of what you may be involved in, whether you're a car mechanic or whether you're a dentist or whether you're a club owner. It just doesn't matter what industry you're in. E1U Life will design a website based on your particular wants and needs, your particular color scheme, fitting your branding. This is what E1U Life is all about. And every business nowadays is trying to get online. People are trying to find remote jobs online. And online, you're going to need a website to present yourself online, whether it be your company or just yourself as a freelancer. You're still going to need a website to put you out there, right? So you can go to earn.wcrpro.life, and you're going to want to choose one of these packages that you see here. And we're starting with our larger package, the Vertex Live, for $2,500, and you'll see everything comes with it, from opt-in pages to those social media and email template paths, the logo design, a multiple-page funnel built for you websites, plural websites, all the pages that come with them. That's our highest level. And as you see, our next level, as the levels go ahead and digress, certain services are taken off. You see, our most basic product service is for $30. It's the Elevation Basic, and it comes with opt-in pages, but that's still highly valuable because you're going to want and need specially designed opt-in pages. And for those who may not be aware of the terminology, an opt-in page is simply a web page that has that form, a big headline, and then a thing that says, hey, if you'd like to know more, enter your email or your name and your email. You know, those pages that you see everywhere. Why does every website have a form on it saying, if you'd like to know more, we'll give you this free gift if you just put in your email? You notice that? That's been a trend ever since the web has been invented. Every site worth its salt is always asking for your name and email. Why is that? Because they are building their audience list. They get you in by offering you something of free or something of value in exchange for your email address. And what do? Throughout time, they send you email messages pertaining to what you opted in for, right? And then they try to get you into their culture and market you other things that may be of interest. You see what I'm saying? That's how that works. That's marketing. And you will have these opt-in pages built for you at even the most basic level. But the thing about these levels is, depending on the one you get, all the other services are automatically included. But not just that, you also get to earn up to the package you yourself bought. So if you buy this, let's say this one here. Let's say if you were to purchase the Vertex Elite for $550, well, once you purchase that, not only do you have access to all the products that are underneath it, the Vertex, the Elevation Elite, and the Elevation Basic, but you get access to all those services and all the commissions you generate should you choose to resell this. So for Vertex Elite, you paid $550, but now that puts you in a position to earn $500 instant commission. And what do I mean by instant commission? I mean, as soon as anybody you refer buys the Vertex Elite and pays $550, at that exact moment, you'll get $500 immediately sent to you. Immediately, not a week later, not a month later. At that moment of sale, you get paid spendable money. That's right. This is the real deal here. And if anyone buys the Vertex for $275, you'll get paid $250 instant direct paid. If anybody buys the Elevation Elite, you'll get paid $100 instantly paid. And if anybody buys the Elevation Basic for just $30, you'll get $25 instantly paid to you. And it works the same with our larger packages here. If anyone buys the Vertex Pro Connect for $1,100, you'll get $1,000 instantly paid. And if anybody buys Vertex Live for $2,500, you'll get $2,000 instant paid, like so many of E1U Life's affiliates. I just want you to understand the nature of what's going on here. E1U Life is a customized web design service that also pays you for referring any future customers. See that how that works? And E1U Life pays us and you pretty soon as you select one of these packages, it's going to pay you instant commissions. Instant commissions. You just can't beat the instant commission power here. Okay. Just wanted to show you that. And this is at earn.wcrpro.life. So you're going to create your account. You're going to choose your web package. And then you're going to use our marketing system to sell it. And you'll earn more than 80% commission on each sale you make. The marketing is all provided for you. Let's take a look at the inside of the membership. And I do want to give a quick disclaimer here. Look, we can't guarantee that anyone is going to make any money, but what we can guarantee is that we provide a clear, concise, needed service for any person online, looking to do a business online, looking to have a presence online. We provide customized services for that person. Now, we do pay people. We have a history of all the people we've paid out. Many people are getting paid commissions. These are the facts. But I can't jump inside your body and make you come and purchase your package. I can't make you resell E1U Life. I can't make you do that. You have to come on in and just take the tools and resources, follow the simple instructions, and go out there and make it happen. We give you what you need to make it happen, but we can't guarantee that you're going to actually make any money until you come on in. You got to come in. You got to grab the tools, use the resources. You got to pick a package. You have to do. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look inside. And once you're logged in, you'll see a page that looks like this. And that Build Your Brand button here, it's where you go and enter your information as far as what type of colors that you want your business to be centered around, the color scheme. What's the focus of your business? What industry is your business in? How long have you been in business? Or if you're brand new, okay, no problem. It's where you're going to upload a nice photo of yourself, you know, for people to know who you are. You know, whatever business. Like I said, if it's a lawn caring business, a dental business, it doesn't matter what your business is. E1U Life will build the customized branding and website that you need according to the package you buy. And this My Workspace button is going to show you the progress of your customized work. We have the My Training. Each package comes with a certain training level. We can go ahead and take a look at that for sure. And I'll show you in just a second. Just a second for it to load up. And as you can see here, E1U Live has dedicated trainings depending on your level, and you see on the left hand side is where the training will go ahead and display. But you know, for example, let's say if you wanted to learn about, I don't know, there's so much stuff here to learn, so much stuff. As you can see, these are all kind of self-help stuff, mind motivational stuff. And you can go here and see how the menu changes depending on what your product package level is. See how it changes? What if you wanted to know Facebook marketing? You know, you would just click on the title and it's just going to display right here, and you just watch the training. It's video on demand. It's like a Netflix for online business training. You have it here with E1U Live. So you're not only getting the web customized service, you're also getting exclusive trainings with each level that you get. I mean, it's phenomenal here. Look at all the trainings you're getting here. I mean, it just doesn't matter. What if you wanted to know about how to get authority on YouTube? Just click on it, and it's going to populate here, and you just watch it. I mean, there's no difficulty. You don't have to go through all types of drama and programming. This is exactly what's needed today. Why E1U Live is such a popular program. And when you click on the affiliate dashboard, you'll see the Email Marketing Pro, which is a fully advanced marketing system with tagging style, autoresponder, the whole works, all the banners and promotional emails for re-promoting and reselling E1U Live, or hosting for other projects you might have that have nothing to do with E1U Live. You can use the Marketing Pro for that. This is where your leads are stored. Anybody come in who's showing an interest, you'll always be able to contact them. You'll always have access to the information. They're your leads. They're not E1U Live leads. They're your leads. My links, all the different links to the different E1U Live reselling material. These are your specially designed links with your username in them. This is where you're going to find the links to give people when they show an interest in E1U Live. You're going to give them these links so you get credited for the sale, right? We even got our basic autoresponder that comes with E1U Live. It inboxes great into the primary email recipient's inbox. That's cool and awesome. It sends out whatever messages you want to be sent, whether it's 10 messages, whether it's 100 messages, it can definitely go out. Your referrals, those who haven't necessarily purchased from you, but they've shown an interest, and you even have a traffic store where you can go get all the traffic you're going to need. And by traffic, of course, we mean direct people who are interested in online business opportunities like E1U Live. This is where you go to just basically buy an advertising spot to where those people are at, to send messages directly to those people who are looking for online business opportunity. This is a great thing for you folks, and I just wanted to make you aware. And all you got to do is go to earncrpro.life. You'll see my information here. You can even give me a call. Look forward to come on in and get a hold of some of the surprise bonuses I have for you. William Caleb, peace and light. Everything's going to be all right. Earn.wcrpro.life.